This program will introduce you to marine battery cable. Quick Cable's marine battery cable is engineered to withstand the harshest weather conditions and operate specifically in a marine environment. Our marine battery cable is made with flexible, tin-plated, fine-stranded copper wire for consistent, reliable conductivity. The tin-plated copper design provides added corrosion protection. Quick Cable's marine battery cable is insulated with heavy-duty PVC and offers excellent resistance to oil, fuel, and acid, as well as superior abrasion resistance. It is available in 8-gauge to 2-watt, comes in black or red, and is available in bulk spools. Quick Cable's marine battery cable is temperature rated at 105 degrees centigrade dry and 75 degrees centigrade wet. Our marine cable is rated at 600 volts and is UL listed 1426 boat cable. It also meets American Boat and Yacht Council and Coast Guard requirements. Flexible, lightweight, and easy to install, marine battery cable provides superior reliability. For more information on marine battery cable, visit related sites on quickhowto.com.